Happy explorers, come learn and play, where fun meets learning every day.
Last time, we lit up letters A to M on the alphabet adventure map, but N to Z are still asleep. Let's wake them up with their sounds.
Hoo-hoo! Let's flap into the rest of the alphabet before I use this map as a nap blanket.
Let's keep going, one letter at a time. Remember, say the sound with us. N says N, nest.
Home sweet hoot home.
O says O, octopus.
P says p, pizza. My kind is worm pizza, crunchy.
Q says queen.
Says rabbit.
S says sun.
T says turtle.
U says umbrella.
V says violin.
W says whale.
X usually says x, like box.
Y says yo-yo.
Z says zebra.
Great job! The whole map from A to Z is glowing bright, thanks to you!
Quiz time!
Which letter makes the N sound, like nest? A, M, B, N, C, Z.
It's question mark. N for nest, and also for nap.
Which word starts with the W sound? A, whale, B, rabbit, C, sun.
The answer is A, whale. But if you see a rabbit swimming with a whale, call me. I want to see that.
Which letter makes the Z sound, like zebra? A, Z, B, S, C, Q.
It's A, Z. Z for zebra.
Now, grab a paper and draw 3 objects from today. Maybe a nest, a pizza, or a zebra. Show your family your alphabet art.
And if your zebra eats pizza under an umbrella, even better.
Fantastic job! Now you know every sound from A to Z.
Hoo-hoo! I'm off for alphabet soup. Hopefully it spells party this time.
See you in the next magical adventure!
Keep smiling, keep exploring. Like, subscribe, and share.